Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for Dr. Ho's Thermacool Recovery Sleeves.
Dr. Ho Solution.
When it comes to managing pain or recovery, hot and cold therapy are simple, natural options. The problem we often encounter is knowing when to use which. So here are some rules of thumb to help kind of guide you on when you might use cold therapy or heat therapy. For cold therapy, the rule of thumb is it's best for recent injuries, inflammation, swelling, if you want to numb an area or reduce irritation. Heat therapy is best for muscle stiffness, tension. It supports circulation and helps ease tightness. Dr. Ho's recovery sleeves make it easy. Just heat or chill based on what you need. And the soft compression gel offers a targeted comfort with a snug supportive fit. They are no drip, they are flexible, but still soft and plush. For cold therapy, you can actually use it straight out of the box. And if you do want it a little bit colder, it does come with a plastic bag, so you can put it into the freezer for about 2 hours. If you want heat therapy, you put it in the microwave for 20 to 25 seconds, depending on your microwave strength. Also to note, if you are going to put it in the microwave, make sure you are putting it in the microwave from the regular setting, not straight from the freezer. You're going to need to have it come to room temperature before you can put it in the microwave. Now, let's get into all the different sleeves and what they do. So the eye mask is designed for eye, sinus, and head relief. You can use it cold to ease puffiness, sinus pressure, or tension. Use it warm to help relax and unwind. The soft compression gel provides a gentle soothing pressure and it blocks out light, which is perfect for rest, for meditation, for travel, anything like that. Next, we've got the hand and wrist sleeve. So this is ideal for any soreness from typing, arthritis, repetitive motion injuries. If you want, you can use heat just to relax the tight joints and support circulation, or you can use it cold to help ease inflammation or any discomfort you might be feeling. Its flexible design allows you to keep moving while you're wearing it. The elbow sleeve is great for discomfort from tennis elbow, for a golfer's elbow, or everyday strain. You can use it cold after an activity like tennis or golf to help manage any swelling or sharp pain, or you can use it warm to kind of reduce any stiffness you might be feeling. Or here's another tip, to actually use it to warm up the joint before an activity, or if you're maybe heading off to rehab. The contour around the joint is really consistent for coverage and compression, so it feels really good when you're using it. Next up is the knee sleeve. So this is ideal for workouts, long days, or really just everyday wear. If you do have issues with your knees, you can use it cold to help reduce any swelling you might be experiencing, especially if you've gone out and had a big day full of activities. You can use it warm to ease any muscle stiffness you might be experiencing, or again, to warm up the joint before you're going out to do an activity. It is comfortable, it has a secure design that supports you while you're staying active. And of course, we've got our ankle sleeve. So this is ideal for sprains, soreness, strains, fatigue from walking or standing all day. You can use it cool for any acute flare-ups you might be experiencing, or a post-injury swelling. Alternatively, you can use it warm just to relax, reduce any stiffness, or maybe you need to use it after you've had a period of rest or inactivity and your joints are feeling a little bit tight. It wraps the ankle fully and really has that soft supportive gel inside for a really nice feeling of the compression. So each recovery sleeve is reusable, it is flexible, it is easy to use, whether you're going to use it cold out of the box, put it in the freezer, or warm it up for that soothing heat setting. Whether you're managing an injury, you're dealing with daily discomfort, or you just want a little extra support, these sleeves help you take recovery into your own hands.
Dr. Ho Solution.